Hi friends, welcome to your favorite channel Excel by Raghav. In this channel you will find all Excel related videos right from basics to advanced level, which includes various formulas, functions and of course automation codings, which gives you a step-by-step direction and is helpful in writing VBA macros as per your requirement. Keeping in view of your precious time, I am trying my best to keep the video length shorter with in details of every topic so as to give you more understanding. Every day new videos will be uploaded, so keep watching for more and more videos and make yourself an Excel wizard. I see many viewers have not subscribed the channel, hence I request you to kindly subscribe, like and promote the channel, and finally leave your valuable comments which will be answered sooner. In this tutorial, let's see how to insert a comment. We can insert a comment in two ways. One, with right click by using the mouse, another by keyboard. First, let's look at how to insert a comment with the help of mouse by right clicking. In number 5, I would like to insert a comment by right clicking. So, I have right click and I will see down the option of insert comment. By default, your computer name appears. As I am using the Dell computer, it is showing Dell. So, with the help of backspace key, I am deleting and we can insert any text. Then, if you click anywhere outside this dialog box, you can come out of the cell. And if you place your cursor just over that particular cell, you can see the comment pops up. Next, the second method by using the keyboard. Here in number 2, I will insert a comment by pressing Shift and F2 function key simultaneously. Again, same, the dialog box open with the computer name. Here, I will type anything. Remember friends, don't press enter key as it creates a new line. So just click outside the line. We just saw how to insert a comment. Now, how to delete the comment? Right click, then you can delete the comment, or if you want, you can even edit the comment. So here in this case, I would like to delete the comment. So I am deleting the comment. Thank you friends.